How to create Cronjob via cPanel. Cronjobs help in reducing routine administrative works. They are a series of tasks that the system runs from a script file. These tasks are run repeatedly at the time or interval you set in your Cronjob. Let's create a Cronjob. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the Cronjobs. Scroll down to the Common Settings menu. Here you can set the time interval for your Cronjob as per your requirements. Some configured settings of time intervals are already given. Go and click to open the drop-down list. Different settings specify when specifically the Cronjob runs. Let's choose the time interval setting once per day. Notice that the system automatically populated the text boxes given below. The Cronjob will run at the beginning of an hour at 12 a.m. every day. You can continue with one of the settings provided by the system or also set your time interval. Suppose you want the task to complete at 9:30 a.m. every Monday. Let's fill in the customized time settings. Now enter the command you want to run in the command field. You must fill in the exact command in the box to run the Cronjob. Now click Add New Cronjob. The Cronjob has been successfully created. Thank you for watching.